Alright, so today we're taking a look at the Seiko Solar Tuna SNE499, and it has this aftermarket metal shroud on it, and this is from Seikoboy. Actually, it's Yokobi's, which is Seikoboy backwards, but I'll just say Seikoboy. And this is a factory shroud. This is I think it's a blue plastic. So it has the aftermarket on here, and reason for that is I wanted a watch that looks like a tuna, the the real tuna with the quartz movement, not the solar movement, and this was quite a bit cheaper than that. So anyway, this is a special Patty edition. It has a wave pattern blue dial. This is for my flashlight here. Shine a light on it so you can see the wave pattern a little better. So there's the wave pattern. The Seiko website says it's a blue dial, but it looks black to me. So anyway, of course it has a screw down crown and the hard like crystal. It is 200-meter divers water resistance. This is it meets the ISO standard. It has the tick marks every minute on the bezel, and it's an actual 200-meter divers watch. The case is stainless steel, and this aftermarket shroud is also stainless steel. And like I said, the factory one is plastic. This has the solar movement, as I mentioned, the V157 movement, and it has a 10-month power reserve. So if you get this fully charged up in the sun, you can put it in a drawer for 10 months and it will still have power. So this is a larger watch. It's 46.8, measured with my calipers, 46.8 diameter. Lug to lug is actually shorter than the diameter. Lug to lug is 45.8. It is 12 millimeter thick, which is nice. It's thinner than most standard Seiko divers due to the solar movement. And it has 22 millimeter lugs, so your strap width is 22 millimeters. And of course it has a silicone strap, which is blue. I can show you compared to the turtle here. Hopefully you can see that with the lighting there. This is you should call it navy blue, and this black. So I really like this watch. I have a hard time picking which some of my watches here to sell soon. So let me get it on wrist here. You can see it on my 6.5-inch wrist. It has the metal keeper here, just like the tuna. Just like the turtle. So here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist. Pull my sleeve a little bit and zoom out. So even though the diameter is larger on this than the turtle, I'll show these side by side in a moment. The lug width is actually shorter, which is a better fit for my wrist actually. I really like these tuna cases. Fit my smaller wrist pretty well. So let me set these side by side. Maybe I'll bring an SKX in here too. Put these two side by side. Lug to lug on this one is 47.5, and I believe the case size is 44. So you can see the lug width on the turtle is just a little bit, well, more than a little bit. It's about 2 millimeters wider. And again, the thickness on this is about 1 millimeter thinner than the turtle. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. It's kind of deceptive because this one's more rounded. This one's kind of more square from the side profile here. Let's bring in this SKX 171. I don't know what this is really showing, but so we have the tuna in the middle there. Yeah, I can't really see with the angle this camera's at. I really can't see that this is wider than this. Yeah, so anyway. Let's do a loom shot. I think this will be a pretty quick video today. We'll hit these with the UV light. Actually, let's bring the Casio in so you can see good loom versus bad loom. Wrong direction. So I will be wearing this. Yep. It was in my last video. I was saying I think my battery was dying out on this. I haven't really used it that much. So let's just use regular old normal kind of flashlight. I have to put a new I think AAA battery in that UV light. So anyway, I'll be wearing this next week, or this week, whatever. I'll wear it for about 7 days. Might have scratched my duro already. Oh, one more thing. I noticed this too. The straps are a little bit different on the turtle and the tuna. The tuna has the circle openings and I'm sorry, the tuna is on my hand here on my right. This has circle openings and the turtle has these oval rectangular openings. So anyway, little sidebar there. All right, let me get the lights. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the bezel. Obviously, you can see the bezel is loomed here, which I've not seen on too many Seikos as a a factory option. You can get the loom ceramic bezel inserts or the sapphire inserts with that feature. So I thought that was pretty neat. On camera, they're a little bit different color, but the brightness looks the same. But in real life, to the eye here, I say the tuna is slightly brighter. In the duro, you can hardly even see in real life. So anyway, have any comments? Put them in the comment section. If you want me to compare this to anything else, I can try and do that. So thanks for watching.